everybody, welcome back to Rach and Bella Crafts. Rachel here, hope you're all well. So before I carry on with the video for today, I just wanted to do the draw for the collaboration, How Boho Can You Go? We had a big giveaway for that. So we have got kits from shops, Angela Kerr, 3 prizes there with her shop. We have got Non-Stop Paper Crafts, there are 3 kits up for grabs from her shop. There is Line Dot Arrow. There are also 3 kits up for grabs from Natalie's shop, and also from Rose's shop, Journals in Time. There'll be 3 kits from there, and then there are 5 kits available from Rach and Bella Crafts. So we've got lots and lots of winners to draw. So I'm just going to get started. I'm going to just shout out your names, and then I will put up a list then in the description box down below of who's won what, because it may get a bit confusing. Okay, so first of all, the winners for Line Dot Arrows kits. So we need 3 winners for that. So let's press start and see where we go. Oh, well done, Jez. You've won a kit from Natalie at Line Dot Arrow. Let's see who else has won a kit. Crafty Landings, Marie, congratulations. You've also won a kit from Line Dot Arrow. Kathy Parsons, there we go. So you 3 ladies have all won a kit from Natalie at Line Dot Arrow. If you can please contact her at her Etsy shop or with your choice of kit, she will get that sorted out for you. Okay, on to the winners of Angela Kerr's kits. We've got 3 ladies or 3 people here now to choose for that. Kelsey Thomas, you are the first winner of a kit from Angela Kerr. The next one is Deborah St. Thomas. If you could please contact Angela Kerr as well with a choice of your kit. Make sure you tell these ladies, please, that you're coming over from this giveaway. And Donna Gower, congratulations. You 3 ladies have all won a kit from Angela Kerr. Okay, so now for the winners of Journals in Time kits. Candice Farmer, congratulations to you. Let's see who else has won. Kaylee at Kaylee Creations, congratulations to you. And we need 1 more for Journals in Time kits. Sandra, congratulations. Okay, now on to the winners of Non-Stop Paper Crafts to win a kit from Suzanne. We have got Fiona, congratulations. Let's see who else has won. Karen, congratulations to you as well. And who else? Wendy Perkins, congratulations, lovely. So you have all won a kit from Non-Stop Paper Crafts, which is Suzanne's shop over at Etsy. Again, if you could contact her directly, that would be amazing. Okay, let's see who's won a kit from the Rach and Bella shop. We need to find 5 of you now. Tracy, congratulations. If you can drop me a message at my Etsy shop, that would be great. Marlouise, congratulations to you as well. Can you make sure you choose your kits before you drop me a message so that it just saves you time then? Chisby1, congratulations. You have also won a kit. We need 2 more. Maria Jose, congratulations. And the last person to win will be Kimber, congratulations. Okay guys, so you are today's winners. If you could please drop a line on Etsy to the individual shop winners whose kits you have won, that would be amazing. And can you pick your kits before you message them, and then it just saves everybody a bit of time, and then we can send you the links directly. But thank you all so much for taking part in the giveaways. You've been absolutely amazing. So I'm actually coming to you today in my video from my holiday destination. I'm actually down in Pembrokeshire, and it is a really lovely day actually, considering we thought it was going to be tipping in with rain. But it's just a quick video to tell you that there is a freebie up on our coffee page. In fact, there are 4 freebies for you this week. I have created these lovely envelopes, which are slightly larger size than they normally would be, and all will be revealed for that in my next video. But in the meantime, I just wanted to let you know that they were there, and for you to go and download them from our Ko-fi shop, get them printed off ready. Now what I've done is I've printed mine on with these as background. So this kit here, the Truly Blue background kit, I've used some of the pages from this as backgrounds for these envelopes. So you might want to go and download the envelopes, pop some backgrounds onto the back like so. And then in my next video then I will show you exactly what I have planned for them. So the link to our coffee page will be in the description box down below so that you can go and get the 4 lovely envelopes for free. And then if you join me in my next video, I will do a tutorial showing you how we are going to use them. I'm not going to hang about any longer, guys. I'm off to take the boys to the beach. It's ice cream time. I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon, and I will be back with you very soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.